Hello everybody. I'm going to be doing another one of my tech unboxings today because my old mouse is really old and shitty. Its middle button doesn't work at all anymore, and it randomly turns off because I am horrible with mice and this is very old. Anyway, we're at Best Buy and I wanted to go for something cheap but built for gaming. This was only $10 more than the cheapest Razer one there was, and it comes with the RGB lighting and higher DPI, so I went with it. Comes with a free premium gaming pad, 16.8 million colors. They call it the G95 laser gaming mouse. Got the system requirements on the bottom here. USB port and Windows, basically. Laser mouse, mouse pad, user manual, and it has software include. Don't know what they mean by that. I hope it's USB. Okay, customize your own gaming style. 6 programmable buttons. Fancy. They got all the colors with chroma lighting. Lots of different colors. I can have it match my laptop with the red. And over here we've got the mouse under plastic. Fits my hand well. Can't really say about weight because we've got this gaming pad over here. On the side, it's DPI switchable, breathable light effect, micromanager, 6 programmable buttons, software included, and double braided. And then up here, superior laser precision, DPI switch mode, lots of versions, and blah blah blah. You can pause that if you want to read it, and then some outlines of the features again. Trying to sell us on this, but for $59.99 I was not being picky. Get out my W33 hobo knife. Get that open. They glued the top as well. Oh. There's the mouse pad. Smooth. It's floopy though. No real structure to it. But I game on a couch, so I don't care. Manual, product guide, folds out, and there's that for you. That's just installing and downloading. Okay. And then in here, board sticking out. So, and she just pops right out of there, and there's nothing else in the box. Okay. Now I haven't hooked this up to my computer yet, so I'm probably going to have to update you guys. Looks like that's where all the lights come through, same within there. Okay, just booting up my computer now with the mouse attached. It's got a very huge USB connector. It is awkwardly sticking out from my laptop, but the colors are bright. And they do not seem to come out of this side of the laptop, or of the mouse. I don't know if that's broken or if I need to change the settings. This side has light. Anyway, I'm just going to clip this into the video. Sorry for the bad audio quality. Bye. Really nice feel. I like the texture of it and the weight. It fits my hand good. And it'll be nice having buttons that actually work on a mouse again. And this cord will be long enough for me. Nice having that Velcro because it's something for my fucking cat to chew up. Long cord there. Anyway, I'm gonna hook this up to my computer and get gaming. Ask me in the comments if you have any questions about how it actually works out. It feels heavy enough for me, and the hand feels good. The buttons feel sturdy, so I think I'll be okay. But any questions, I'll try to answer them for you. Either way, have a great night. Check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share with your friends. And otherwise, enjoy yourself. Bye, everyone.